Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're walking through how to use Helium 10's Black Box, a powerful product research tool for Amazon sellers. First, go to the Helium 10 dashboard and click on Black Box under the Product Research section. Then, choose your marketplace. For this video, we'll select the United States. Now, let's apply filters to find products with strong sales potential. Start by selecting the category. Here, we'll choose Kitchen and Dining. Next, set the parental revenue to a minimum of $25,000. This means we're targeting products where the total revenue across all variations, like different sizes or colors, is performing well. Then, set the price range from $20 to $50 to focus on mid-range products with better margins. For the review count, set a maximum of 150 reviews to identify low-competition products. Once your filters are applied, click on the Search button. Black Box will now generate a list of products that match your criteria. Backed by real-time Amazon data. If you'd like to try Helium 10, use the discount link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Just click Explore and get started. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Amazon seller tools and tutorials.